Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis. So in this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of GBP JPY. Without wasting any time, let's come to that point. So first of all we will go on the one time frame and look what's going on here. Okay, fine. First of all we have a resistance level, then this was the previous resistance level, and now market coming down to retest this previous high, and here we have a range also. This is the almost 100 pips range on D1 time frame. Let's come to the H4 time frame and modify these areas. Okay, fine. So I think this will be here, and we should remove this area. Okay, so first of all I looked a demand area here. This is the demand area. Okay, and this is the minor resistance level. But one more thing, this was the range, this was the 52 pips range. Market break this range, comes down and then go up to retest this range and then goes down, and there's also a probability that market will go up, but now we are looking for sell trade below this area. Okay, so this is the H4 time frame, and this was the previous resistance, previous high. Market break this resistance and then make a range, comes down to make this support, comes again, go up, and now market is at the support level. And if we look on H1 time frame, then we can see that there's a bearish momentum and also a clear move on the left side, and yeah, this will be good trade. Let's do this. Okay, so this was the previous resistance, and one main thing, if you get a demand like this at the resistance area, then there's a high probability chance that market will come in this area again, retest this you can say that was a previous resistance, and will come in this demand area and shoot up. There are a high probability chances, but we will see that what will happen here. Right now we have a clear move in the left side, and this range is almost 42 pips range, and I think this will be a nice trade. Let's come on M15 time frame. Yeah, this will be good trade. I think we should open a trade right now, but no, I will wait a retest of this area and then we will open a sell trade to move on here. So let's see, will I get a retest of this area or not. If I get a retest in this area, then I will open a trade. So let's modify this area also. Yeah, this will be fine, this will be fine. If we look on M15 time frame, yeah, fine. Okay, so these are the trading ideas of GBP JPY for today. Sell trade, and if market break this resistance level, then we will open a buy trade to fill these wicks. In this trade, in this range, personally I will not open any single trade, but basically I'm looking for sell below this area and buy above this area. Now I'm waiting for the retest of this area, and then I will open a sell trade on my account. So these are the trading ideas of GBP JPY for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in Forex groups. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live Forex analysis from us. And if you are looking for best Forex broker, then you can open your trading account on our recommended broker. The link of our recommended broker given in the description box. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.